Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about gap trading. Gap trading is by far the single best day trading strategy available in the markets today. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second is gap fill trades. In this video, we're going to be talking about the morning gap trades and specifically VMW or VMWare, which was one of the morning gap trades that we identified this morning. In my course, I teach precisely how to identify morning gap trades, which is where a stock is gapping up or down a specific amount or more from yesterday's close or the prior day's close. And what I do in my course is I teach traders how to identify the precise level where that stock is likely to find support or resistance, have a price reaction, and trade in the other direction. And if you can identify the specific level where that will take place, then you can profit handsomely each and every day. Now that we're getting into the heart of earnings season, these trades are available each and every day, and sometimes there's 3 or 4 to be had, sometimes there's 7 or 8 to be had, but now that we're in earnings season, it's very rare that we can't profit from one trade. We can always at least find one trade that's going to work out each and every day, and sometimes more. So today's trade is VMware, and before we get into the specifics of VMware, let me show you the email that went out to subscribers this morning. What I do, in addition to the course, is I provide my gap trade levels to traders that want them on a 2-week trial. It's a separate service, but what I do is each and every morning before the market opens, I send out my trades when I've identified my gap trades and what I plan on trading that particular day based on the price levels that do get hit. I send them out to members each and every day. And these are the trades that went out this morning. And you can see there were 4 possibilities. The one that hit its level was VMware, VMW, which is the second one down. And as you can see, I say gap higher. Resistance levels are $59 and $62.31. Stop and profit target is about 50 cents. Now in terms of a stop, that's a stop. In terms of a profit target, that's a minimum profit. Let's go over to VMware and see exactly what happened today. This is a daily chart of VMware. Let's flip over to a 10-minute chart. So as you can see, the first candle of the day started higher. Yesterday, VMware closed the day at $51.49, right? $51.49 on the close. Today, the stock opened at $56.02, quite a gap higher, and it continued higher. Now, in the morning, before the market even opened, I said to members that and this is also an area where in my course, I teach you exactly how to do this. You don't have to get my daily emails to learn how to identify this level. But in the email, I said the resistance point was $59. As you can see, when the stock came up in the second 10-minute candle of the day, so within 20 minutes of the open, it made a high of $59.23. That was well within our stop loss limit, and then it immediately pulled back, and being in the stock for less than 20 minutes, it hit a low of $57.80 for a possible gain of $1.20 in less than 20 minutes. Anybody that held the stock a little bit longer may have been able to squeeze a little more gain, but the point is that you can see how in just 20 minutes, we're able to make $1.20 off of a stock where the level was identified 15 minutes before the market opened. The stock closed yesterday at roughly 12 or 13% below that level that was identified early in the morning before the market opened. This is a strategy that you can profit for life, folks. I teach you exactly how to do this at LazyGapTrader.com. Come over, take the course, learn how to do this for yourself. You can find trades like this each and every day, and this doesn't even include all the gap fill opportunities that are out there for you, which is the whole second component of the course where I teach another strategy within the gap trading methodology where you can derive buckets of money for yourself by having price levels where stocks will come back to fill gaps left open from a previous day's close. Come over to lazygaptrader.com, learn how to do this for yourself. It's a profit for life scenario. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.